Hello everybody. Today is not an electrical video. It's actually going to be a test of a Kittle smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. So this one talks and I really like it. This is at my neighbor's house. He's an auto mechanic, but he also installed these and they're all hardwired. But we're only going to be doing this one today. Oh no, I'm actually sorry, this one's battery operated. The hardwired ones are disconnected because he's redoing his house. But anyway, so it talks, does code 3 I think. I'm not sure, so let's go ahead and give it a test. First, I gotta find something to poke it with. Here, we'll use this screwdriver. Alright, here we go.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
As you can see, the green LED blinks as the red LED is active. Which, system sensor i3s I know don't do that. So yeah, thank you for watching. There will be more to come.